Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to sync Call AI with Apple Health. Now once you have installed Call AI, just open the application and it will ask you about the details. Now there are two methods. If you have just installed the application, you can just directly link the Apple Health from the homepage. And if you already made an account, so you can directly do it from the settings as well. So just select your gender, click on next, select your routines and everything, YouTube, tracking app. Just make sure to add all the details that they are asking for. And once you add all the details, the dates, the purpose or the goal, the gain weight, click on continue and gain weight per speed. Like this is basically all the home settings that they ask for once you install their application. Click on continue, busy schedule. Make sure to choose the correct details so you can get the best results as well, and choose your diet. Click on continue. You feel better, your weight transition, click on next, click on continue, and now you see the option connect to Apple Health. As you can see, walking, running, yoga, sleep, all the options will be connected to your Apple Health. Click on continue and they will ask you to either turn it on if you have turned the health option off. So you just need to turn it on. Click on allow. And once you click on allow, as you can see, like it is properly synced with the Apple Health and the Call AI. They both are connected. Make sure to add the further details as well. Click on continue and allow the notification that your choice. Just add all the information, and once you are done, so they will ask you, just need to have the subscription as well that they will ask you for. So once you have buy the subscription, your like Apple Health is already synced with the Call AI. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can sync Apple Health with Call AI and do your process. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.